What is happening, everybody? We're doing another reset for you. It's going to be on the SKY Elite D65. As a reminder, if you guys have a device that you're having trouble with, you're not sure how to do, if you want to either see a reset or a teardown on it, just drop a comment and try to get that up for you. We're going to be adding a ton of devices here soon, so just keep watch, and if there's any special requests, we'll try to get those up first if possible. But let's get into this, and as always, just remember when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if there's anything important on the phone, it will be deleted. So just keep that in mind when you're doing this. But let's get right into it. What we want to do with this, we want to have the phone turned off, and I already got this one turned off for us just for the sake of speed. We have your volume up, volume down, and power button over here. We're going to hold volume up and power at the same time. So I'll usually hold volume up first, and then I'll start holding the power. And just keep holding them. It should then pop right into the recovery mode screen. There we go. And we're right there, and we want to do factory reset. Your volume buttons do the selection and the navigating, so volume down is okay, and volume up will let you select. So we'll put volume up to recovery mode, then we'll hit volume down to get into the actual recovery mode. It'll bring you the no command screen from here. You have to press power and volume up at the same time. Usually, honestly, I'll just hit power and then just tap volume up, and that'll bring up all your desired selections. And we want to scroll down to where it says wipe data factory reset, and then your volume buttons will scroll, and then your power buttons to select on this spot. So we'll hit wipe data factory reset, hit that again to confirm, and now the phone is deleting all the data. It's done, and then you can either power it off or reboot it, and we'll just reboot it in this case and go from there. But that is how you do a hard reset on a SKY Elite D65. So once again, if you guys have any special requests, let me know. Otherwise, if you can like, share, comment, follow, all of that would be appreciated. Until next time, thanks.